Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify. Let's get started. Okay, so log into your Shopify account and access your store. On the left side panel, click on Apps. On the search bar, let's type something like pre-order. Hit enter. You'll see a lot of free pre-order apps. When choosing one, look for something that has a free plan, high ratings, and lots of reviews. Some popular options include Pre-Order Now, Pre-Order Manager, or Pre-Order Global. Alright, so for example, let's say I'll be choosing this one, Stock. It has 5.0 star with 2,000 reviews. Once you clicked on an app, it will bring you to the apps page. Then click install. Alright, it will bring you to another tab that will ask you permission again to install. Click it again. Most pre-order apps will guide you through the setup. Alright, let's click on get started. As you can see here, Stock has a free plan along with some of their paid plans. For the free plan, it gives us 10 pre-orders per month, 30 back-in-stock alerts per month, and 0 transaction fees. For now, let's choose the free plan and just upgrade later on if you want to access more pre-orders, such as 100 pre-orders or 400 pre-orders per month. Most pre-order apps will guide you through the setup, including changing the Add to Cart button to Pre-Order Now, adding a pre-order badge, adding a disclaimer or note, setting up full or partial payments, adding discounts, and setting an estimated shipping timeline. What I want you to do is just follow the on-screen instructions right here. Okay, let's go ahead and click on Open Theme Editor. There we go. It says that the app embed has now been enabled. Now let's create our first offer. Click on Create Offer. Let's click on Next. Here's the customized widget. Click on Next. You can also add the products or any specific products. Let's click on Next as well. And you could also choose our product type. So in this part, we can customize the pre-order button. So in this section, we can customize elements such as the offer name, the internal name, pre-order 1, the button text, pre-orders, a disclaimer. We can also use custom colors for the button, also add a badge, and we can also allow to show the back in stock notification. Once you've customized all of the elements as you want, we can go ahead and click Save and exit this. And in the product section, you can also customize the specific products where we would like to put the pre-order button on. Since we've chosen the free option, we can only use the specific product type. As you can see here, the collection and all the products is for the upgraded feature. We can also choose if we would like to show pre-order when the product is out of stock or show pre-order for products in stock. And in this part, we can customize the specific product that we would like to have the pre-order button on. We go for this example, let's say the ceramic plate. Click Add. Again, you can change if you would like to show the pre-order when it is out of stock or in stock. And in this part, you have the option to automatically enable continue setting for this product. Click Continue. Wait for it to load. Since all of my example products are still in stock, it's telling me that one of the variant or variants are not out of stock. Additionally, we can also update the quantity limit of how many pre-orders one product can make. Lastly, you also have the option to add more products. Let's click on Save. Now let's go ahead and check on our online store. Inside the theme editor, click on the App Embeds tab. Here you can see if our stock app is toggled to on or off. Alright, so in order for us to see if our pre-order button is working, I went ahead and changed the stock of my ceramic plate product to 0. As you can see here. And let's go back to the theme editor. Since I've updated the stock of my ceramic plate to 0, it is now showing pre-order instead of add to cart. Now let's go to another live preview of my website. For example, if I click on my other products, such as the wooden chair or wooden table, it will show something like add to cart. Now, if I click on my ceramic plate, which by the way is out of stock, it will now show pre-order. If you want to customize this again, you can just go back to your Shopify main dashboard, click on the stock app, and go to the pre-orders tab. You can feel free to add more products and customize a current one. You can click the name, and it will take you back to deciding on how your pre-order will look. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.